Hey Facebook, what is up? Happy Friday, y'all. What is shaking? Okay, so I'm gonna go live later tonight, but it was just so beautiful out. I just had to hop on here and be like, what's up? Loving life. So that's what I wanted to hop on really quickly and talk to y'all about. Gratitude. Gratitude, attitude of gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude. So, anyway, I hope y'all can hear me. But I just wanted to say, it's scientifically proven that you cannot be unhappy and grateful at the same time. Okay? So people ask me all the time, and my buddy Kane over in Australia, what's up, Kane? Has a live on his feed saying the same thing. People ask me, why does he smile all the time? I smile all the time, y'all. Smile. And I smile, well, one, because I'm happy. And number two, because when you smile, it confuses people. But at any rate, I think it always comes down to perspective. Having an attitude of gratitude, even when things are bad, y'all. Even when things are bad. It completely physiologically puts you in a better place. So tonight when I go live, I really want to talk about the power of positive thought and perspective, putting things in perspective. Because truthfully, I've been grateful all day long, and the truth is something has happened to me like 30 minutes ago, right before I was going to record this, and somebody did something that was really, really, really messed up to me, and I sat there. I was upset for a minute, and I thought, well, I just made a post earlier about not letting anybody steal your joy, and I want y'all to remember that even when people hurt you, and even when people maybe don't do the next right thing, instead of being angry and resentful and bitter, maybe you just need to thank the universe. Because this is exactly what I did. I sat there and thought, you know what? Thank you, Lord, for showing me the kind of person I don't want to be. Thank you, Lord, for reminding me that I need to protect my energy. And thank you, Lord, for making me aware that there are people out there in the world that literally will do things intentionally just to hurt you, or steal your thunder, or steal your joy. Haters gonna hate, right? People want to take from you what they don't have. And the people that don't have joy and light and happiness and peace and love in their life, they try to steal it from you. But you can't take away my joy, baby. Can't take away my joy. So anyways, listen, y'all, have an attitude of gratitude no matter what. Try to think about what you do have, not what you don't have. And after you realize that you're grateful, just be grateful, be a good person, and then be grateful that you are a good person. Smooches.